Hey everybody, so it's been pretty muddy out lately. I've been splitting quite a bit of wood, and it rained quite a bit the past couple days, so it's going to be a while before I'll be able to get back in the field. And decided I'm going to pressure wash the old wood splitter off, which is the Wolf Ridge 28 Pro, and then I'm going to coat it up with some fluid film. And this is rust and corrosion protection, penetrant and lubricant. So this stuff here is really good spray to spray on anything, undercarriages on your vehicle, anything you don't want to rust, anything you want to keep lubricated up. Fluid film seems to be the way to go. It makes this thing look brand new once you get done with it. So let's go ahead and start cleaning. We're gonna spray this thing down and see what it looks like later. Wax-based lanolin, solvent-free. The only thing that the aerosol cans have is butane in the can with it to help propel the fluid film out. So you can protect your boat, fertilizer spreaders, undercarriage on your vehicle, wood splitter to keep it from rusting. Basically anything you can spray lanolin on, and it will not affect the paint, will not affect the metal. It will protect the metal from rust. And that's what we're trying to do. I brought it in yesterday. It was raining. I did not get a chance to spray it off, so there is a little dab of surface rust on the splitter, but we're going to put the fluid film on. We're going to go ahead and protect the rest of it. Normally what I do, I'll spray the whole unit down. I'll spray a little bit on a microfiber towel, then I just start wiping, and I'll park it in the shop, and this thing, it will not dry out, and so whenever you get ready to use it again, it will look brand new when it comes out. So if you have not already seen fluid film, check into it. Awesome stuff. Alright, there it is. I wiped it down with fluid film. I like to wipe it in a little bit, but it will spread, and it's protected from the rust, corrosion. Yeah, if you've never checked out fluid film, I highly recommend to look into it. Until then, consider hitting the like button, consider subscribing, and we appreciate it.